It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
My bike blows up. Boom. Wayne helps me to the rescue. Boom. When my bike blow up, I get a mechanic from Atlanta to fix my bike. Boom. When I get the mechanic from Atlanta to fix my bike, I'm basically saying on the video on my YouTube saying basically like, yo, you know, my bike blew up because I went to a higher altitude and I didn't tune my bike. Boom. Because people was in the comments saying like, don't Wayne fix your bike? Like, why, you know, just basically trying to drag on Wayne. So I defended him slightly, but didn't. It really was Wayne's fault, but I wasn't trying, you know, throw him under the bus. He called me like, yo, why you always talking slick in the video, this, that, the third, this. I'm like, we don't even talk to each other like this. Why you talking to me like this? Showing off, you got me a three-way? He's like, nah, nigga, you always got something to say. This. I'm like, all right, whatever. Boom, he hung up. I called back. I said, what? So with me and you got a problem now? He's like, yeah, we got a problem. And he's like, matter of fact, you cut off for me. You did to me. You chose a side. Now stay on the other side. I said, all right. Hung up. I texted him, was like, bro, when he posted something about boxing. So remember Blake a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, all right, man, you could be the first attendant. Let's do it. He's like, nah, you don't want box. You want beef. I'm like, I don't want beef with you, nigga. Like, a nigga got love for your mother, nigga. I don't want beef with you. I just want to box you. All fast forward to the day, to yesterday, the first time he seen me or whatever. Yesterday, he sees me multiple times. He waits for me to get to East Baltimore. He waits for me to go from East Baltimore to West Baltimore. We get to West Baltimore at Westside Shopping Center. He pull up, cut me in front of me or whatever, and was not pushing me, but try to push his chest in mine. Like to knock me off balance, I grabbed him, ready to slam him, and I stopped from slamming him. Basically, I got it all on video, but I'm basically telling him like, I don't want to hurt you, bro. Like, I don't got shit to say. You go your way, I go my way. But you doing right all this is gonna end well.
Big as shit compared to him.
That's why and in the video you will see how he stood on top of my bike because he wasn't eye level with me, so he stood on top of my bike, I guess, so he could feel bigger. And I'm like, bro, I don't want to do this to you. You want me to thrash you right now? You not even coming off. You don't got your hands up, nothing. Like, you stuck between two bikes. Imagine two four-wheelers facing the same direction. He's in the middle of those two four-wheelers. He won't come out the middle of those two four-wheelers. So if I hauled off on him, boom.
So he wanted to show his ass because everybody was in clown. That's what that's
right.
My thing is, like, yo, like, my thing is, and because for the most part, everybody on Wayne's side been staying out of it, and people that do try to get involved, niggas check their temperature. And on our end, everybody been minding their business because it been made clear, as long as don't nobody put their hands on them or do no physical bodily harm to Shamar, niggas don't give a fuck what y'all do. Y'all can talk shit to each other all day. But now it's like, yo, the shit that Wayne did yesterday, Shamar could have really hurt himself.
Hell yeah, bro. I look back at that shit. And you did it. So boom, once he did all that macho shit, I'm like, it wasn't about fighting. He wanted me to talk. He's like, don't you got something to say to me? Don't you got something to say to me? I'm like, bro, I don't have shit to say to you. Me and you ain't cool. I ain't got shit to say to you. And so when he did all that chest bump, I was like, I don't want to do this to you, bro. You go your way, go mine. So he went like, all right, then fuck it. Went to kickstart his bike. Kickstarted his bike, reached over, grabbed my key to my bike, and sped off. So as he was speeding off, I went to grab him, thinking I'm Superman or some shit. Went to grab him, ripped his back pocket's ripped. So when it ripped, it fucked me up, I guess. He dragged me like 5 feet. I bounce up, walk away. Police is rushing us down. So police coming, helicopter on us, police coming from every direction. I just was sitting away from the bike. Chino was right there.
What did he do with the king?
He turned back around.
That's gone, but the police was already on their ass like Shamar ain't get got or the bike ain't get took.
Because of my homeboys and the Hagerstown niggas. If the Hagerstown niggas...
But it's like, yeah. if Shamar would have got locked up or hurt, how would that have been looked at? Like, fuck
yeah.
Right, like, why would you do that?
You know, some police shit, bro.
And then everybody knows Shamar's situation for off his leg, so why would you even do that? And you know, alright, I'll go back and forth. But you know, with him holding on to you and you dragging him while you on that bike, bro, you could have really fucked him up, my nigga.
Even more, yeah, like, why would he do that? I didn't know all that here.
Like,
that's
it just happened yesterday.
Yeah, that happened yesterday.
And I wasn't telling nobody. Listen, Sid, because Sydney, you know how my friends is, Sydney. You know how my friends is about me, right? I'm talking about my day one friends, the Blakes, the Charlies, recipes, you know, dramas and all that.
Right.
About each other, right? So I'm like, I'm not telling none of my neighborhood friends. I said that. Said that to Sko and my LA niggas. I'm like, we're gonna just keep it low. If they find out, that's Wayne's fault. So I'm like, all right, I want at least. Then my mom thinking, me and Wayne getting, you know, I am bigger than him. I'll put boxing gloves on. He don't have to. You know what I'm saying? And we could fight. Go in his garage, in his mother's basement, whatever you want to do, we could rumble it out. Boom. I know that would make my friends at ease. You know what I'm saying? But by you trying to avoid the situation, it's gonna go a different way.
Hey, Fed. There you go. Hey, Fed, what you do? Hey,
I blink up because this motherfucker like it's over there. So mind you, okay, so now, so when I asked you what the fuck you was talking about, you try to dumb it down like you ain't know what the fuck I was saying. So mind you, I'm like, did you see my brother? So he like no. So I'm like, all right. So now he's talking. So he said, sorry, Shamar. I said, I just fucking asked you, did you see my brother? You said no. He was like, well, I thought she was talking about Mikey. I said, bitch, how would I be asking you, did you see Mikey?
What I asked you? Hey, tell him what I asked you after that.
You trying to help me throw the surprise party? But I said, I'm not into that.
And that's why yes, you is. Stop like, hey, now you not going.
I don't give a fuck about what you talking about.
Yes, yeah, you know about that black.
Shut the fuck up.
All right. But listen, I'm like, yo, bro, nigga try and alleviate the situation in the best way a nigga can. I'm trying to please my friends and family. You know what I mean? Because now my whole hood know about it. The only person that didn't see the video, my little man from LA showed Blake of all people the fucking video, but he didn't know. You know what I mean? And so when he showed Blake the video, that's put fire on the flame.
So like you was dragging like on the ground, like you was like.
Well, I was on the side of the bike. I'm holding on.
Listen, I looked at that video, Sid, and I felt like like how you said your trial was. I felt like somebody was showing me something that like really happened to my brother. Like, yo, listen, like you know how fast some bags go, so the video don't do no justice. And I know Wayne is an asshole, bro. And then I think about when you in Baltimore, and you going through them little patches of grass when we stop on
and some rocks and shit.
You got bottles, you got fucking dirty needles. I'm talking about it's everything under the sun, anything you can think about over that.
Right.
So it's like, come on, bro. Like, what if you really trying to get your lick back? And all right, he might have called me broke or whatever. So now he embarrassed because he broke, so I'm gonna do this. But you're not thinking, what if he end up? What if he don't get up from that shit? You might stop your bike, but he might not get up. Niggas don't think like that. And then if the worst would have happened, everybody been out late talking about how shit went too far and all that when
it'd have been my fault again, cause this
and niggas real men talk that shit out. You and Shaman go fight.
But this is my thing though. This is my thing. At the end of the day, people gotta know, and this is another thing we were just talking about shit the other day. People gotta know to stay in their lane, because your lane is your bike.
Exactly, sis. This a woman saying this. What the f?
It's just certain you shouldn't even.
Your lane is dirt bikes, nigga.
One thing lead to another, then what? Like, you just need to stay on the bike and like all that other shit. Leave that shit to the people who do that shit, because the motherfuckers be hearing shit go left. It's like now everybody like, oh, but it's like no.
And then it's so crazy because, like, yo, Wayne really take nothing from nothing. Wayne is really an OG, and it's like, yo, Shamar and Charlie is like, I've been riding all my life. But they've been, like, on the street riding and, you know, wheeling and interacting with niggas in the street, buzz that shit. That's their lane. You get what I'm saying? So, Wayne, Shamar, and Charlie got that certain bond to where even if Wayne would have grabbed him,
he shouldn't be that deep. He shouldn't be dragging him with no motherfucking bike.
You understand? Like, even if Wayne would have took Shamar somewhere, and yo, come here real fast.
That's how it's supposed to been, bro. What you talking about? That's how it's supposed to been. Yo, bro, I want to holler at you.
Like a little brother, Shamar would have respected him more. You trying to humiliate him. And now you could have possibly hurt him, bro. So now you got people that love him that's upset. So it's like now, it's like that shit kind of like borderline out of Shamar's hands.
It is, bro. You know it's out of my. It was out of my hands when you seen that video last night.
Like, you know, if I would have been there, I would have been the fuck out if I'd have seen him dragging him on a motherfucking bike.
And then also, it's like niggas dead. It's like niggas dead that be dick eating. And I ain't talking about nobody specifically, and I ain't singling nobody else. But all the niggas in that pack dick eat me and all my brothers every chance they get. And ain't nobody say nothing but stop playing bitch ass. From the young niggas to the older niggas. Everybody.
But listen, Blake.
When I was talking to Jeffrey earlier, and I had asked him, like, did Shamar come down here and ride? He was like, yeah. Him and Wayne got it too, but he didn't go into details. And I was like, him and Wayne.
Like, and
that's
I
the bitch ass, and I love Jeffrey.
Okay.
And I love Jeff, but that's that.
Listen, said, motherfuckers not gonna speak about that shit because niggas know Shamar will dig up your whole life. They know if there's anything to know about you, if you try to play with that boy, he gonna be at your neck. So it's like, niggas ain't gonna speak about it. More so, niggas don't know how niggas gonna take it if they speak about it. So a lot of people just mind their business for real. So don't nobody want to be involved in that because they know that shit can get ugly.
But dragging him on a fucking bike, like, that's a bit much. Like, I don't like that.
Like I said, how would I look that, right, sis? Listen.
Do you remember when I beat that bus driver up?
Yes, when I got hit by the bus.
Do you?
Hell yeah.
I was so fucking mad.
You was fighting along bitches that you don't even like. She fighting with Brandon and them. She don't even like them. She fighting with them, but beating the bitch up. But back to what I'm saying, Blake, how would I look there if I walked up to Wayne and slapped him in the L and Elder's ass up?
Like you did, Mom.
You wouldn't look like that because he should.
No, this is before. Listen, this is
all bets is on.
No, sis.
Just like how you did Mom in his backyard.
In the backyard. But sis, this is a person that's not posing to be a threat. He don't want to fight me, at all.
It don't matter. It's my.
But listen, he dragged me off the bike and he dragged me, right?
I get it. So listen, okay, he probably don't want to fight or he feel like whatever. So now when you see him, get the shit out of here,
nigga. You think
you're not no motherfucking kid? I'm not no toy. Don't drag me on no motherfucking ground.
But this what everybody don't know. See, like I was saying, the bond different with us and Wayne. So right now, at the same time. Even if Wayne was to apologize like a man to Shamar, I feel like Shamar might not, he ain't gonna never forget, but I feel like Shamar let him slide. So it's like, yo, men do men.
I don't feel like you should let him slide though, because what if you done hit your head the wrong way?
No, you right, sis.
You could have lost your fucking life.
No, you right. No, sis.
It's more so Shamar, and Shamar said it last night. Shamar more so mad at his filter because it's Wayne. If it was an outsider, Shamar would be able to sleep.
Because listen, I'm not. Hold on, Blake. You gonna understand this, Blake? I'm not thinking about me. I'm not thinking about me.
He told me last night, yo, chill out, yo, don't, yo, you trying to push that shit. Chill out, yo, you got niggas ready to go, this, that, and the third, but like, yo, that's...
But that's what I'm saying, but that's why I'm gonna tell bro, like, all due respect, if that was you getting drug on the ground because somebody snatched... Hold on.
Because if the shoe was on the other foot and somebody did that to him, he would be on the same...
Home decor. Barbecue turkey sandwich? Look good. I guess they style. That's what they do.
Just yell with them.
Yo with him is crazy. Of course, his son will do it. Hey, look at him. Hey, look at him. They're like your father and son, bro. I swear to God, there's two motherfuckers here. He's not taking a shit. He's taking a shit for sure.
Shoot, this motherfucker was. I thought he was left the fucking the place. I said, what the fuck happened?
He in there taking a shit.
The shit came out sweating and everything. I said,
he said he came out sweating. It's crazy. It is 8:48. It's 8:48 p.m. Monday, June 9th. We just returned home. To my home. To his momentarily home. His home is in another state. across the country, literally. But we just got here. Damn, it feels good to be back. I ain't gonna lie, because the kids is ready to rush me in the rush's worst way. Like, another trip in the books, bro.
They're getting easier, though.
They're getting easier?
Yeah. I mean, like, as far as doing them,
like communication with you and I?
Yeah.
Communication with you and I? Yeah, I see it. Definitely. But damn, I'm tired.
Everything else is getting more interesting, though.
Everything else is getting more. The hate is getting louder. The hate is getting louder.
They're not speaking under their breath no more.
Well, they said it. They speaking in group chats.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's not under their breath, right? Yeah.
They said their power numbers now.
Yeah, and we got the numbers, so fuck them.
And I started with $1, dreaming it was to get richer. All they be the data, them switches, leave niggas disfigured. And I can't even count all the times I done ran through 6 figures. I done put the grinding from bottom, it made me more realer. Now I got the racks, I'm a pop, but this everything I want. Like, why the fuck you come with a chopper? That's just the way I'm coming. I'm the one that's humble, do numbers, the realest, richest, youngest. I'm the one with killers, had nothing, I really gave them something. I done put the vet, put up jewelry, I'm getting tired of stunting. I'ma put on Prezi and Cuban, I'm turning up the sun. If it's not 100, ain't nothing, that shit is not a bundle. Told them that the difference between us is that we really want it. I'm the data, 2 choppers inside a super queen. I walk in, don't ask me no questions, it's not an interview. I'm the one